Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today's video I will show you how to fix phone app missing on iPhone home screen. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. Solution number 1. Swipe down from center to activate search. In search bar, type the name of your missing app. It will appear under applications. Solution number 2. Reset home screen layout. This process will restore your Apple app to their original location on your home screen. For that, open Setting app, tap on General, tap Reset and select Reset home screen layout. Tap again Reset home screen to confirm your action. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model. Solution number 4. Reset all setting. Open setting, tap General, tap Reset all setting, put your passcode, tap again Reset all setting to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.